Today I am going to make healthy rainbow peppers. First, I am going to cut each peppers in 4 pieces. In a medium fry pan, add the onions and saute for 3 minutes until softened. Now, add chopped garlic, then green olives, and saute for 2 more minutes. Now I am going to add soaked cranberry and wine in the pan and simmer for 5 minutes until most of the liquid has evaporated. Season with salt and black pepper. Now cranberry mixture is ready. Arrange all peppers cut side up in a single layer in baking dish. Season with salt and black peppers. Spread saffron rice about 1 tablespoon on each peppers. Add 1 tablespoon of the cranberry mixture on the saffron rice. Then add chopped cherry tomato and fresh basil. Now season again with salt and pepper. Bake for 25 minutes until the peppers are tender. Now our peppers is ready. You can sprinkle fresh basil on top and serve warm or at room temperature. Enjoy!